Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So this is my Shopify store, and basically sometimes we have required to display all the variants on our collection pages. So it is not compulsory that you only have the color variants. If you have any other name of the variant, then still you can separate them out on your collection pages, and in that way you can actually attract more sales because we are providing the possibility to purchase a lot of other options for our customers. I will show you step by step that how you can display all those variants on your collection pages. So on my screen you can see that I have this collection page, and I have multiple products but only single color is displaying over here. So for example, I am considering this product, and you can see that we have multiple colors on the main product page, but on the collection page I can only see single color. So how we can display all those colors on collection pages also? So let me show you step by step. So the first thing is that you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed warehouse theme. So if you have any other theme, then I have already created a lot of other videos. I will be adding the playlist of those videos so you can follow that, and if you still don't find it, then you can message me. I will create a new video for you according to your theme. If you have any other version of this theme, then still this feature will work. The first step is that you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme, because if you have any problem or something, so you can roll it back to its original version. And once you are done the duplication, then you should click on edit code, and here you can see that we have some folders and files. So I have already given a link below in the description, so you should follow the documentation. So once you are downloading all those files, you will be getting all these three files. So let me open document.txt, and inside of it you will see that I have already mentioned all those steps. So now the first step is that create new snippet color dash variant. So let me copy this name from here, and then you should go back, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste that name here, click on done. And then again go back to the documentation. You should create another new snippet color dash product dash item. So let me copy this, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, click on done. And then after we have the third step, which is go to sections man dash collection dot liquid. So let me copy this man dash collection, go back here, search that man dash collection, and you can see that we have under sections we have man dash collection dot liquid, and inside of it you need to find product dash item. So let me copy this. So using Control F or maybe Command F, you can search it, and here you can see that it is highlighted. I mean, inside the render we have product dash item. So you just need to replace this product dash render with color dash variant. So let me copy that, and here we go. Now you can see that I have updated, and then you can save the changes. And let me close this file. Now in these two empty files I have already attached the code, so you need to paste that code. So the first code is this one. You should open color dash variant.txt. So let me copy this complete code, and then after you should paste it inside of color dash variant.liquid, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and again go back to the files. You can see that we have color dash card dash product.txt. So you should copy this code also and go back here. You can see that we have color dash product dash item.liquid. So you should paste that code here and then click on save. So once all the changes are saved, then you can actually see the preview here. So let me refresh this page now. So now you can see that we have displayed all the other colors on this product page also. Can you see? Earlier we only had one color, but now we have multiple colors displaying on our collection pages. So that's how we can actually provide the possibility to our customers that they can actually choose one of the color which they likes. So you can implement this feature into your store. If you are facing any issues or something, so you can ask me directly. I will help you out in solving that issue. If you have any new feature to develop in your store, or maybe you have to create a new store or something else, so I can support you in any technical issues which you have in your Shopify store. And this specific feature will be working on all the collections which you have in your store. If you want to make this feature specific to one collection, so that is also possible. We can put a condition, and accordingly we can only implement this feature on one collection. So according to your requirement, we can actually customize. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. So you can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And you can also join me on WhatsApp group. I have also some a community on my YouTube also, so you can join that one also. So there I post some relevant content according to your problems. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.